This new app is a game changer for my daily commute.
Let's analyze the latest data on our dashboard.
The 120Hz display is great. It makes scrolling smooth.
These headphones offer the great sound isolation I've ever.
To create UGC videos like this, all you need is a few simple steps in PixelPanda, and it takes just 5 minutes. First, open UGC Studio, click Create Studio, then choose Start from Scratch. Here, you can choose a saved AI model, select the outfit, set the video duration, and pick the model's tone of voice. Once everything looks right, click Continue. Next, choose from 6 UGC video formats that define how your avatar appears. For this example, I'll select car selfie, then click Generate Start Frame and wait a moment while PixelPanda creates the opening frame for your AI avatar. Next, enter the script you would like your avatar to present. I already have a sample script ready, but if you don't have one yet, PixelPanda can help. Just enter a keyword or message for your video. For example, try PixelPanda.ai, then click Suggest. PixelPanda will generate a complete script that's ready to use. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video, and your video will be ready in just a few minutes, something that would normally take hours of filming, editing, and production. And that's it, your video is ready. Let's take a look at the final result.
Hey, if you ever need cool AI images for anything, you gotta tax out PixelPanda.ai. Seriously, it's so easy and the quality is amazing. Just give it a try.
Of course, you can also download the video and use it wherever you need. Now let's try a different video format. We'll start the same way by choosing an AI model, selecting an outfit, setting the video duration and tone, then clicking Continue. This time I'm choosing the holding product format. Then I'll upload an image of the product I want the AI model to hold. Let's use this perfume bottle as an example, and finally click Generate Start Frame. Now we'll wait a few minutes while PixelPanda generates the video. Then let's take a look at the final result.
So I'm obsessed with this rose perfume. It's not old lady rose. This is fresh, like a dewy morning garden. You'll seriously love it.
And there you have it. With just a few simple steps in PixelPanda, you can create endless UGC videos without spending hours on filming or editing, and save on production costs too. Try PixelPanda.ai today.